This is my 48, and I'm gonna show you how to make a microscope. Now you do 1, 2, 3, 10 twice. 1, 10 twice again. Then 1 again, 10 twice. Then turn this green one twice. So you get 2 of these. Then you follow those same steps by turning, making a point, then making something like that, then turn up, then turning twice to make it so it has 4 of these. Then you turn this up to the side. Then you turn this 1, 2, 3, 4. Now turn this. Now turn this up. Then turn this green one to the left, away from you. Now you turn this one to this side. Then you turn it again so it makes another one of these. Then turn it up and this way towards you so it's pointing at you. Now make it so it points to the other side. Now make another one of these. Now you turn it right here, then turn this to that same side. Now do that same step right there so it can have one of these. And then you turn this up, then turn this one away from you. Then this so it makes another one of these on the top. Then so it makes one of these on the side. Then I would turn this so it makes that, and turn this down. Now we've got a microscope.